Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Bob Desmond. Let's do a post-trade review of BPOP, Popular. But before we go to the stock charts, let's take a look at stock twits. Because on October the 5th, I always like to do this. I consistently do it because I like to date stamp my bullish calls. Anybody can go on, make a video, say I was bullish on the stock, I made money. I date stamped it, folks. On October the 5th, we went bullish on BPOP. In fact, I made a video with regard to it. This is an abbreviated video. Members received a far more in-depth detail of my analysis on BPOP that goes out on every Sunday. It's called the Week Ahead Commentary, and I go into historical support, resistance, exit points, entry points, etc. So I'm going to post this stock twit in my post-trade review blog. You can click on it. It'll take you right to this video. That way you can take a look at what I was thinking back on October 5th. That being said, let's get to the charts of BPOP and the trade. Okay, let's take a look at the daily chart of BPOP. You can see the stock has been in a huge decline, made a high of 34.34, and then just simply collapsed. Now, we began doing some analysis on BPOP right about here where it was meeting support, historic support. I watched this bottoming tail. I had hoped that we would see the stock consolidate. Maybe this would have been a good entry point. RSI was very, very oversold at that point in time. And there are times where you get undercut double bottoms, meaning you'll bounce off of the lows like you saw back here at 25.80, will rally as we did up to 27.22, pull back, maybe even undercut the 25.80 level. It's because traders are out there. We see them. We see the orders that people put in when they buy here and then they put a stop loss order right below here. What do traders try to do? They take out those stop loss orders, then they bring the stock right back up. They buy it on the cheap. So you see that quite often with extreme oversold stocks, and we love those. That's gravy. However, we didn't see that action. And I sent out an alert to members, avoid this stock because it's breaking down. It is not finding support. And October the 7th, in the aftermath of this real serious correction, just click on the stock twit video image and it'll take you right to the video. It's linked. On the 7th, I did put out the video, best stock picks, why I liked them. And on the 14th, after we saw this nice little consolidation here, we went long of BPOP. Now, why do we decide to go long then? Let's drill down to a 30-minute chart. Okay, on a 30-minute chart, you can see on the 11th, we broke out. Nice move higher throughout the 11th and the 12th. And then on the 14th, keeping in mind that we had a nice double bottom setup here and a breakout higher, the markets gave us an opportunity to buy the stock on the cheap. So they gapped the stock down. What did we do? We bought right at the very, very low of BPOP that morning. And the reason why I'm bragging is because it rarely happens. I get in right at the bottom. We were right there, right where that bottoming tail was, and we rode the stock higher. We booked profits on the 17th due to a couple of reasons. One, you had a nice little extended rally up to the 200 period moving average on a 30-minute chart. That's not the big reason. It's a factor, no doubt about it. The fact that you had a little topping tail implying resistance was going to actually occur at the 200 period moving average helped our case all the more. But when you pull back to a daily chart, once again, you take a look at your 50 period moving average, it's threatening to take out the 200 period moving average. That is a bearish divergence. I don't really want to be long of a stock that it's not extremely oversold anymore if this occurs. If this were to occur, this crossover were to occur back here when the stock was trading with an RSI below 85, well, okay, I'll weather the storm of the crossover. Now that it's had a relief rally, well then, I don't want to be in front of this thing. I'd rather have the 50 period cross below the 200 period moving average. I like the short squeeze potential of this stock, allow the stock to pull back. We'll probably be involved with BPOP once again. I will be sending out trade alerts to members. If you're not currently a member, please sign up for the 14-day free trial offer. My old rates are still available. $29.99 monthly, $305 annually. That's a discount of 15% over the monthly rate. The website is not up yet. If you try to check out using the website right now at the higher rate, it will not work. You need to click on the links in this blog below. It'll say monthly and annual membership below. Click on those links. It'll get you the old rate. Once the website is up and running and the videos are populated in the members area and secure, the rates go up, folks. I have too many members now, and it's hard to manage all the trade coach requests, so I need to raise rates, and plus my expenses are going up as well. And that's it, folks. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, robert@thecontrariantrader.com. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you, and I'll talk to you soon.